Welcome to all in the class of Physical Education for class 12th, Unit 4, Physical Education and Sports for CWSN. In this chapter, today we will focus on the causes of the disabilities. What are the causes of disabilities? We will see through that chart. The causes of the disabilities are mostly genetic, environmental, or of unknown causes. So, these three are the main causes of the disabilities. At first, at birth, number one, the most important causes of the disability is genetic. Genetic cause is come through the generation to generation by birth. Second one is the non-genetic. Non-genetic causes, there are the different or many or various type of the other causes, those who are come in the non-genetic causes. Next one is the environmental causes. Environmental causes means through the environment or through the polluted environment or unfair or unhealthy environment, that disease can spread to person. Just like that, the infections, or we can say the allergies also. Next one causes which can spread through person to person, that is, except that infections, that is cause the trauma and injuries. Through the injuries, it can also be possible the disabilities in the individual. Next one is the non-communicable disease. Non-communicable disease means, just like we can say, through the environment, through the carelessness, or through the other reasons, these non-communicable diseases are possible. In that, most important causes can come, that is called the nutritional deficiency. If we will not concentrate on our diet, or we are not able to take the balanced diet, then due to that also the disease can be possible. That disease can cure through the psychiatrist or through the help of physiologist or others experts also. Next can come also through the drugs or through the alcohol or through the smoking. These are also the important reason by which the disabilities can be spread in the individual. So this is the most important causes of the disabilities, and if we will control these type of the causes, then on the behalf of the control of that causes, we can cure or we can save to the individual through the disabilities. Thank you.